In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and log into Cpanel in Hostinger, resolve any login problems, and guide you through the Hostinger Hpanel login. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL hpanel.hostinger.com. Once the page loads, you should find yourself on the login screen for Hostinger's Hpanel. This is where you'll manage your hosting services, and having a smooth login process here is key for efficient website management. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the page where you'll see the account option. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will open a drop-down menu with various options related to your Hostinger account. As you navigate this, you'll want to focus on the next step, which is selecting account sharing. This is crucial if you need to grant access to someone else or manage permissions for team collaboration on your hosting account. Clicking on account sharing will lead you to a page that outlines the current sharing settings of your account. If you wish to provide someone else access, you'll see an option labeled Grant Access. Give that a click and prepare to enter the necessary details to share your account access with others. Once you've clicked Grant Access, you'll see a prompt asking for an email address. Here, make sure to type in the email address of the person you want to share access with. Be sure to double check the email address for accuracy, as this ensures that the intended recipient receives the correct access rights. Next, you'll be given options to determine what level of access you want to grant. Selecting admin allows the other person to manage different aspects of your hosting services, so choose this if you trust the individual with full access. If you simply need someone to manage specific services but not everything, go ahead and select the option to manage their services. After making your selections, confirm your choices by clicking on the Grant Access button. Doing this will finalize the sharing process, granting designated access to the other party. This functionality is particularly helpful for collaborating with web developers or team members who may assist you in managing your hosting account. And there you have it. You should now feel confident in accessing and logging into your cPanel through Hostinger, as well as managing any login issues by leveraging the account sharing feature in Hpanel. Remember, navigating your hosting account is all about making sure you have the right tools and resources efficiently at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.